In the last video, we have already installed Go and now we are ready to write our first program in Go. So let me switch to my VS Code. So this is my VS Code. Before moving further, let us install an extension. So the extension name is Go and I will install this extension. We are done with the installation. Let us go back to our code. So here I have created one folder Golang course where I will be doing all the coding in this Golang series. So inside this folder, let me create one more folder. Let me name it as one underscore first Go program. And in this folder, I will create one file first Go program. What should be the extension? As in the case of Java, the extension is .java. As in case of C++, the extension is CPP. In case of Go, the extension is simply .go. Our file got created. Every Go file must start with a package name, and the syntax for defining the package is package, and then we provide the package name. So what should we give the package name here? So there are two options. Either we can provide it a special package name which is main, or we can give anything random. Like here we can give it first Go program. So it depends on the use case. Either we give this package name this main or anything random like first Go program. So here we have to give this package name as main because we want to make an executable of this file and run it. So whenever you want to make executable from a file, you have to give the package name as main. So in case of executable, we'll give the package name as main, and whenever you want to create a library out of this file, not the executable, then you can give it any package name. Okay, so whenever we define the package as main, Go compiler expects a function to be present inside this file. What is the name of that function? That function name is main. So let us define that function. So for defining a function in Golang, we have the keyword func and then we give the function name. So this is our first program and we just want to print some message on the screen. So for printing the message, I will use a library provided by Go which is called FMT, which basically stands for format, and it provides a function called println. And we can give our message here. I will give the message as this is my first Go program. So here we can see we have an error that this FMT is undefined. So we have used the library but did not import it. So we need to import this library as well. So to import this library, when you will save this file in VS Code, you will see this line automatically got added, which is basically importing the FMT library. So this completes the code for our first Go program. Let us try to execute it. Let me open my terminal. Currently I am inside this Golang course folder. I will change the directory to one underscore first Go program. Okay, so now I am inside this first Go program. In order to run this file, first we need to create an executable out of this file and then we will run it. So to create an executable, Go provides the command go build, then we pass the file name as an argument, first go program.go. So this command will create an executable. As you can see, this first Go program file has been created newly. If you want to check whether it is an executable or not, you can use this command file first go program. So here you can see this command is telling us that it is executable. And to execute this executable, we gonna just type dot slash and the executable name. In this case, it is first go program. So you can see it has given the output. This is my go first program. Or I can change the message through this is my first go program. Let me recompile it and then run it. So this has printed this is my first go program. Let me clear all the things on terminal. So here, as you have seen, the executable was created with the same name as the Go file. What if we want to create an executable with a different name? For that purpose, we can use the same go build command, but we will use a flag here. And to this flag, we provide the argument what is the executable name we want. Let us say we want this time to be Go program. And then we will pass the Go file. So you can see here one more executable was created with the name Go program, which we have passed as an argument to this -o flag. So let me execute this newly created Go executable as well. Its name is Go program. So it has printed the output on the screen, this message, this is my first Go program. So till now we are running our code in two steps. First we are creating an executable using this go build command, and then we are executing that executable using this command. But what if we want to do it in a single step? For that also, Go provides a different command called go run, and we can pass the name of the file here. Okay, this will run the Go code in a single step. Let me first delete this executables. So you see I have deleted all the executables. Let me try to run this command again. You can see when I ran this command, the output got printed. This is my first Go program, but there is no executable here. Does it mean that this go run command does not create executable? No. This go run commands, how it works is, first it creates temporary executable, executes that executable, and that delete that temporary executable as well. So this is not the case that this go run avoids creating executables, but it creates a temporary executable and then deletes it. This completes our first Go program.